This particular guy was barely making up to $20 in a month, but after watching my YouTube video on keyword research, he made over $200 in a single month. Let's listen to his story. Now, after listening to his voice note that he sent me on WhatsApp, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 ways you can increase your sales as an Amazon KDP publisher. Let's pay attention.
So sincerely, I really want to appreciate you because like I've been following your channel for a very long time, and especially that keywords research video you taught us about, that has really helped me. That has really helped me to a point that like from I've never made, let's say, $20 in my Amazon. That's the truth about it. But when I started that keyword, I was able to make almost $250 in my Amazon account, which I was battling to get a system because sincerely I came from a very humble background. My mom is blind, and it has been a struggle for us to just survive. So I have to just make up my mind that I just want to learn to sacrifice the little I'm getting, little penny I'm getting, just to focus to buy data to get system to start this Amazon. So I sincerely want to say thank you, and I really want you to mentor me. Yes, sir. I don't know, like, if that same offer that you are still giving, if you could do, like, help me and let me register it by ending of this month. Amazon will pay me that money. So I need to buy system and I need a mentor, sir. So I will really appreciate, sir, if you can mentor me and just help me the way God helped you. Just to see that at least I am able to help this woman. I know one day she will leave this earth, but at least before she leaves, she should at least enjoy the pain.
Now, I hope you guys actually paid attention to that video. First of all, if you want to know someone that is intentional and someone who wants to succeed with a trade, any kind of business at all, is their, how they value the mentorship, how they value coaching, how they value training, how they value the value of other people. Now, if you paid attention to his voice note, the first thing he said was that he was not able to make $20 in his Amazon KDP business until he watched my video on keyword research. Now, after watching my video on keyword research, he started applying the principles I taught in those videos. Now, those videos are on YouTube. You can also go and watch them. Now, after watching those videos and applying the principles and ways, the things I taught in the keyword research video, he started making sales. You understand? Not just making sales, he made over $200 in his Amazon KDP account. Now, another thing for you to know how intentional this guy is, he has decided to get a laptop, which means what he was using to make this money was a mobile phone. So if you are having a mobile phone, you don't have an excuse. If someone can make $200 just by watching my YouTube video, you can also make more than that just with your mobile phone. You understand? Now he's getting a laptop and he said something that actually touched me. I am coming from a humble background, which means they don't have money. You understand? So he came on YouTube, saw a niche and saw a way that people are using to make money. He registered an account, started making sales. He saw my video on keyword research, applied the principle of the principle of keyword, and he started making over $200. Now here is where it gets interesting. He wants to get my mentorship. Remember, I have a course called the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP Blueprint. Now I have over 300 plus students in this course, and I have over 42 countries right now in this course. You understand? That has helped people, move from zero to making crazy amount of money in the Amazon KDP business. Now, here is where I'll have to tell you the things you need to do right now to increase your sales as an Amazon KDP publisher who wants to make crazy amount of money in their Amazon KDP business. Number one, you must master keyword research. This one is non-negotiable when it comes to your Amazon KDP business as a publisher. In this channel alone, I've done over 5 videos on how to get in profitable keyword. In the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint course, I have over 10 methods of how you can get selling keyword, that these are keyword that can sell themselves. If you write on them, you already know that this book will sell. You understand? So I explained 10 different methods on how you can get profitable keyword that can sell themselves, even without running ads, that can sell themselves organically. So it's very important you understand the concept on how you can get profitable keyword. On Amazon KDP, the first thing that is very important if you want to make good amount of money is you understanding that keyword. This is something that no one can actually do for you as a publisher. It's something that you have to learn by yourself. You have to learn how to do keyword research by yourself. It doesn't matter the niche that you are writing on, biography, tech niche, cookbook, travel guide. You have to understand how to get keyword in these particular niches. Any niche you are, playing on at all, you have to understand how to get profitable keyword in these niches. Number two, you have to understand how to write a good book. This is where a lot of publishers actually miss it. They don't know how to write a good book. They think writing a book is getting, a table of content. Then you go to ChatGPT, it generates table of content for you and you start writing your book. No, you need to undergo something I call an irresistible market research. What is an irresistible market research? An irresistible market research is you actually going in depth to researching what will give you an edge against your competitors. Remember, no matter any keyword, I don't care about the keyword that you're actually going to be writing about. You must always have a competitor on Amazon. If you are lucky enough, you might not have a lot of competitors, which means you have chance to make real money with that particular keyword. But you must likely have competitors. And how can you beat them? Because one person might know the principle that you know, how to write in a good book. They've got the profitable keyword. How do you put a good book around that profitable keyword? That is the second thing you are supposed to, master as a KDP publisher. If you can understand this alone, getting a profitable keyword and understanding how to write in a good book, a great book, a bestseller book, it becomes easy for you to succeed in the Amazon KDP business. Number three is launching a good book. A lot of people think writing book on Amazon is just about you uploading the book on the platform and you have to pray that your book sells. And that is what a lot of publishers also do. They upload their book on Amazon and they hope the book sells. If you are a KDP publisher, you must be sure that any book I am putting on this platform, it is supposed to sell because you already know that it will sell because you have the knowledge of how the business works. If I am uploading a book on Amazon, I already know how much this book can be earning me in a single month. I can pick a topic and I am sure that this particular topic I am picking will give me $1,000 in the next 30 days because I know and I understand the business. You get? So launching your book properly, not just uploading the book, launching it properly. And when I'm talking about launching, there are 3 core things that you are supposed to understand. If you do them in your launch period, you have to make crazy sales amount of money. You understand? Nothing can actually take that from you. Number 1 is what I call optimization. And optimization actually means that you see A+ content, you have to add it in your book. A lot of publishers don't add this A+ content in their book. And you see another one called review. You have to get review. As a KDP publisher, you must learn how to get reviews to your book. Social proof. When I tell you that someone actually got my mentorship and they went through it and they made this amount of money, it is social proof. So for you watching this video who might want to get my course, you already know that this course is working for people already. An Indian guy is making over this amount of money every single month. Someone, from Cameroon is actually getting through this course and they are getting results from it. That is social proof. A student has made over $2,000 just in a single month just by going through this same course. You get? Now, this is social proof. This also applies to your own book. If you write a book on Amazon, what will make people get your book more is when they see someone read the book and the person comes back to Amazon to leave a review. You get? To leave a review. And during this your launch period, the third thing when you have to do during your optimization period is running Amazon ads. You have to run ads. If your book is very good and you have optimized your book, you've done a good book cover, your description is good, your content is good, you've added A plus content, editorial reviews, you added all the necessary things. The best thing for you to do to make more sales and to prepare your book for long organic sales is making sure you show your book to more Amazon KDP, Amazon shoppers. You get, the more people that actually see your book, the more chances of you making sales. If you make a lot of sales in the first 30 days that your book is launching, or your book went live, or you uploaded your book, in the upcoming 30 days, which is like the 60 days to the 90 days to the 120 days, you will be making consistent organic sales because you utilize your launch period. You actually utilize, the first 30 days and you made a lot of sales in that month. You got a lot of review in that month. You optimized, your book in that month. So the fourth one is getting a mentor, which is one of the things he actually mentioned in his recording. Getting a mentor. You need someone to actually hold you by the hands and show you how Amazon KDP works. There are a lot of things that you cannot get on YouTube. First of all, most of my YouTube videos are not organized. You understand? I do the videos on YouTube based on, popular demand. Maybe they have demanded for this video a lot. I say, okay, let me create a video about it, and I create a video about it. But when it comes to the ZTH Amazon KDP blueprint, it's something I have, taken my time to break down step by step. This is the first thing you need to know about publishing book on Amazon. This is the second thing you need to know about publishing on Amazon. This is the third thing you need to know about publishing on Amazon. This is the fourth, fifth thing you need to know about publishing on Amazon. So it's a step-by-step organized system that leads you to success. It is organized. On YouTube, if you come on YouTube, you have to search for this to learn how to do this. You come on YouTube, you have to search for this to actually learn how to do this. But in a course, you have to get a step-by-step blueprint on how to doing this, what is it called? Getting these results. You understand? You go from understanding what Amazon KDP is, because most people don't even understand what KDP is. And you go through, the process of writing your book, the process of getting your good keyword, the process of, optimizing your book after you've uploaded it, the process of launching this book very well, and the process of you making crazy amount of money. All these things actually take process, and it takes a step-by-step process. You understand? Now, because of the request he actually made in that voice note, I have decided to help 10 persons. If you are watching this video and maybe you have someone who wants to go into, book publishing, or they want to start making money publishing book online, or they are looking for a way to make money online, Amazon KDP, I think, is the best bet because it's one of the easiest way to make money. All you need is just a phone or a laptop. You get to start this business. Now, if you are into this business and you are not making sales, you want to make sales, I also want you to take advantage of it. You understand, of the offer I am actually going to be giving. Now, in the next 48 hours, I'll be helping 10 persons get into my mentorship. Now, the cost is 30,000 naira. I'll be doing a 10% off the cost. Now, the only thing you have to get the cost is just paying 20,000 naira to actually get the course, the full blueprint on how to, making this kind of amount of money on Amazon. You understand? So for you to actually get this, you can click on the description of this video to get the course. You understand? So click on the description. You will also see my number in the description of this video. You can send me a message, ask me question about, if you want to get more information about the course, you can ask me question. I'll also respond to you. If you also want to, get the course directly, you can also send me a DM on WhatsApp. If you want to get it in the product page, where means you have to go to where the course is hosted on Seller to get the course. You can also use the description below. There is a link. The first link you will see there, it will take you to the product page. You will see a promo code. So when you apply that promo code on Seller, it will get you to that 20,000 naira that you can use in getting it. Now, this offer is just for 10 persons in the next 48 hours. You understand? So I wish you good luck. As always, I am Valuebank, and I will be rooting for you all from afar. God bless you.